Hi, my name is Dennis Fugel. I'm Chartered Professional Accountant, CPA, Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today I would like to talk to you about how to maximize your business tax refund. Basically, what you can expense in a company. In other words, fancy words, how to maximize your business tax refund. It's basically what to claim. And my suggestion is claim all the business expenses. I have a cheat sheet, so I'm gonna read from it. Advertising, phone, home portion of your home office expenses, meals, travel, professional fees, purchases for your business. All any expense that help you to earn your money, claim it. Also put attention to separate GST from your expenses if you're GST registered. If you're not GST registered, claim 100% all the expenses. That's it, because you're not GST registered. You did not came to the right volume to claim GST ITCs unless you registered yourself for GST because you said, my sales maybe not going to be so high this year, but I will have a lot of expenses and I would like to receive my income tax credits. So I'm going to register for GST. Not bad strategy, because in the future you anticipate that you will have to pay taxes and more taxes. So that's why you register for GST, HST. So in this case, you're going to separate GST component from your expenses. And do not forget to claim all the expenses that help you to earn money in your business. Only this way you can maximize the refund for your corporation. Hidden costs. I don't know about hidden costs. There's professional development that you can take in a business, some business courses that are going to help you to manage the business, some not only business courses, also items that you're using for the business. For example, your personal laptops that you're using for the business, it also can be either expensed or capitalized. It all depends. The assets that you own personally, maybe you would like to transfer to the business. It also can be done. It's Section 85, and you need to talk to us, to accountants, because it needs to be done elections. Okay. Also, if you prepaid for something, we also need to count for this. Okay, for your prepaid expenses, because for example you paid for insurance for the whole year. Okay, so we need to count for the payments that belongs only to your year, not to claim all the expense that you paid in this year, because it's probably belongs also to the next year too. What else? Keep accurate, keep your books organized. Keep your books organized. It's going to help you and your accountants to track and to prepare your corporate taxation. All the things that I talk about, it's actually be organized in your business, claim all the expenses in your business. You cannot invent expenses. Okay. Yeah. Don't be too much creative. Be very realistic and be honest. Because if you find that you basically claiming or providing such expenses that not exist, and we finding 1, 2, 3, 4, and we see that there's a lot of them, we will have conversation with you. We might not would like to do business with you if you creating or want to claim some imaginary expenses that you cannot support. Okay, it's not only your reputations, it's also our reputations in the eyes of the Canada Revenue Agency. And please do not forget, we have association that dictate for us rules and rules of conduct that we need to follow. We are not reporting false information, and we're not going to give to our clients advice how to report false informations or maybe not to declare on something. We're doing everything in the boundaries of the law. Whatever law allows, we do. If it's not allows, it's written black and white. We're not gonna suggest you. And if we find that our client is not honest with us, then we can reassess and can say we no longer want to do business with you due to your actions or due to your unprofessional behavior, because you're putting us at risk too, and our clients, because I'm preparing other clients, and if I'm doing the things with you, they can conclude, oh, he probably doing this with other clients. So your actions also put in risk all our practice, all my practice, for example, just to take in considerations. So be organized, claim all relevant business expenses, subtract GST if you GST register. If not, no. And this way you can be sure that all the expenses that you claim relate to your business, and they help you to deduct to bring your income lower, and this way you can pay less taxes. On this note, guys, if you have any more questions in regards of these topics, please let me know. I will be more than happy to help you.